Doctors are amazed, and you will be too, at what happens when you drink carrot, apple, and beet juice every single day. This powerful combination has been called a miracle juice for cleansing the body, boosting energy, and even protecting against disease. Today, I'll share the incredible science-backed benefits of this natural remedy and why it's becoming a favorite in holistic health. What's in this miracle juice? Let's take a deep dive into the powerhouse trio that makes this drink so special and explore the science behind each ingredient. First up, the humble carrot. They are packed with beta-carotene, which our body converts into vitamin A, an essential nutrient for sharp vision, glowing skin, and a robust immune system. But that's not all. Carrots are also a fantastic source of antioxidants that fight cellular damage, and they provide a healthy dose of potassium, a key mineral that helps support healthy blood pressure. Next, the crisp and refreshing apple. They are loaded with a special type of soluble fiber called pectin, a superstar for gut health and heart support. Pectin helps manage cholesterol levels and slows sugar absorption, preventing those dreaded energy crashes. Apples also contain powerful antioxidants like quercetin and catechins. Plus, their natural sweetness perfectly balances the earthiness of the other ingredients, making the juice delicious. And finally, the star for circulation, the mighty beet. Its magic lies in its high concentration of dietary nitrates. Your body converts these into nitric oxide, a molecule that helps relax and widen your blood vessels. This process, known as vasodilation, improves blood flow, which can help support healthy blood pressure and enhance oxygen delivery. Beets are also rich in folate, vital for cell growth, and unique antioxidants called betalains, which provide potent anti-inflammatory benefits. Individually, each of these ingredients is impressive, but when you blend them together, something truly special happens. The sweet carrot, crisp apple, and earthy beet create a flavor profile that's both delicious and invigorating. Nutritionally, they work in synergy. Each ingredient enhances the benefits of the others, creating a nutrient-dense elixir that is far more than the sum of its parts. First up, your heart. This juice is a powerhouse for cardiovascular wellness, and it starts with beets. They're packed with dietary nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide. This molecule is a natural vasodilator, meaning it relaxes blood vessels to improve blood flow. Research indicates this can contribute to healthier blood pressure levels, but it's not a one-ingredient show. Apples contain pectin, a soluble fiber that helps manage LDL cholesterol. Meanwhile, carrots deliver potassium, crucial for balancing sodium and supporting healthy blood pressure. Together, they work synergistically to support your cardiovascular system as part of a healthy lifestyle. Forget the coffee jitters. This juice provides clean, sustainable energy. The nitric oxide from beets boosts your stamina by improving oxygen delivery to your muscles, which is why some studies link it to enhanced athletic endurance. The fuel itself comes from the natural, unrefined sugars in apples and carrots. Paired with their fiber, this ensures a steady energy release without the dreaded crash. For an effective pre-workout lift, drink a glass about an hour before exercise. It's the perfect way to power your performance naturally and feel invigorated throughout your day. This juice also acts as a gentle, natural internal cleanser. Your liver is your body's primary filter, and beets provide incredible support. They contain antioxidants called betalains, which help support the liver's critical detoxification pathways. But a healthy detox also requires a healthy gut. That's where apples come in. They're rich in pectin, a prebiotic fiber that feeds the beneficial bacteria in your gut, promoting a thriving microbiome. To complete the trio, carrots offer fiber that promotes regularity and helps your body efficiently eliminate waste. For an extra digestive boost, try adding a small piece of ginger or a squeeze of lemon to your juice. They're fantastic for soothing the system. Want that lit from within glow? This juice helps you drink your way to radiant skin. Carrots are packed with beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. This nutrient is vital for skin cell turnover and repair. The secret to youthful skin is often collagen, and apples are a great source of vitamin C, an essential building block for its production. Collagen gives skin its firmness and elasticity. Furthermore, all three ingredients are loaded with antioxidants that fight oxidative stress, a major cause of premature aging. As a bonus, the high vitamin C and A content also gives your immune system a powerful boost, helping you feel as good as you look. Finally, let's talk about brain power. The circulatory benefits of this juice extend right to your brain. The increased blood flow from beet nitrates specifically targets the prefrontal cortex, the area responsible for focus, decision-making, and memory. This can lead to sharper mental clarity, but the brain benefits don't stop there. Apples contain a flavonoid called quercetin, which research suggests has neuroprotective qualities, helping to shield brain cells from damage. Carrots add their own array of antioxidants. So, the next time you need to focus, try a glass. It's a fantastic caffeine-free way to sharpen your mind and support long-term cognitive health. How to make it at home. Making this juice is easy. Just take 2 medium carrots, 1 fresh apple, 1 medium beetroot. Wash them well, chop, and blend or juice until smooth. Drink immediately to preserve the nutrients. Pro tip: add a small piece of ginger or lemon for an extra detox kick. While this juice is extremely healthy, moderation is key. Because it's naturally sweet, stick to 1 glass a day. If you have diabetes or low blood pressure, check with your doctor before making it a daily habit. So let's bring it all together. What truly happens when you welcome this vibrant trio of carrot, apple, and beet juice into your daily routine? You're not just drinking a juice, you're unlocking a cascade of benefits. You'll feel a surge of clean, sustained energy thanks to the natural sugars and the nitrate-boosted oxygen flow. Your skin will start to radiate a healthy glow as vitamin A and C work together to repair and build collagen. Your digestive system will thank you, feeling calmer and more regular with the help of soluble fiber. Your immune system gets a powerful shield from a flood of antioxidants, and you're actively supporting your long-term wellness by promoting better blood flow for both your heart and your brain. But the real proof is in how you feel. That's why we're inviting you to take our 14-day challenge. For just 2 weeks, commit to 1 glass of this miracle juice each day. Keep a small journal. Note your energy levels when you wake up. Pay attention to your skin's clarity and your digestive comfort. You might just be astonished by the transformation. If you found this guide valuable and are excited to start your juicing journey, show your support by giving this video a thumbs up. And to make sure you never miss out on our next deep dive into the world of natural health secrets, be sure to subscribe to at Best Folk Medicine and ring that notification bell. We love building this community with you. So head down to the comments and let us know. Are you taking the 14-day challenge? And what's your favorite add-in? Is it a kick of ginger, a squeeze of lemon, or something else? We can't wait to hear from you.